Hi all. Now I will show you how to play if the bishop's opening is played against you. We play for black. White makes the first move with the pawn on e4. Answer e5. The white bishop goes to c4. White plays the bishop opening. What are we doing next? Bring your knight to f6. Then usually the white pawn goes forward. We take this pawn. And white loves to take it with his queen. Thus white captures the center. What do we do next? We attack the white queen with the knight. In theory the strongest move is to move the queen to e3. We make one more move with the very same knight attacking the bishop. The white bishop retreats here. Then what we do, we bring out our bishop, we check to the white king. White is hiding behind plus attacking our bishop. You boldly put your bishop on c5 and attack the white queen. Our bishop, although without protection, will not be captured by the white queen since we will take the white queen. I think you understand why and how. Therefore, the white queen, where he will retreat, the most optimal move is g3. Because he attacks the weak pawn of our g7 and attacks our defenseless knight. What can we do here to protect this pawn? It is elementary to castling. But we will lose the knight if we just defend the knight, then the queen will hit the pawn and then we will have trouble. You can simply put the knight on g6 and thus we will solve these two problems and defend the pawn and see the knight. But I propose a completely different move, the bishop to take the pawn on f2 to check the white king. So we caught the white queen, we made the king-queen pin. And thus white loses the queen. You now of course tell me, why not take this bishop with the king or queen? Let's look at this situation. Here you made a check. Let's say if our bishop is captured by the queen. Then it is elementary that the knight becomes on d3 check and the pin to the queen. If white takes our bishop with the king, then we simply take the check pawn with another knight and take the queen. Like this. That's why I say that with this bishop move to f2 we capture the white queen. I think this is a very good combination. Good trap. If the bishop opening began to play against you, you can safely play all the moves in this way. What kind of white, what kind of black? In principle strong moves, so there is a high probability that this is how white will play and you answer in the way I showed. If you like this trap, please subscribe to the channel. Watch my other videos, will be very helpful. Play chess and remember, every chess master was once a beginner.